Up to you guys a little bit here. What are you guys getting for p hat?
0.704.
Yeah, so it's 459 people out of 652. So q hat has to be
1 minus.
1 minus that.
It's 296.
The z-score you should be getting 05. 04 is 3 away, 05 is 2 away. So look back, 0.0202 is closer to 2% than 0.0197. Again, not a major deal, but still. And then NP hat, if you do this times this, you're going to get this, roughly. And then the rest would be, what is that,
192.92,
2, blah, 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 which is definitely bigger than 5. And what's this step here mean? Normal enough. Normal enough to do what we did here. That's nice to kind of check that before we keep going. All right, so that's all the preliminary stuff. Now, if you haven't finished out that and write your statement, go ahead and finish that out. If you're done with number 1, look at number 2. Try to see if you can figure out part A.
That was a little snippet.